When will this stop? How can this stop?
If you are thinking that this is a very respectable job, people are going to love you for what you do, and you are going to be rewarded with appreciation and love, looking at the turn of current events, I don't think that is going to be the case.
I think that's taken a mental toll on the entire medical community. When I see violence against doctors, the one word that I can think of is demoralizing.
Like the relatives, they keep on lashing on the doctors all the time.
But we end up violating their basic human rights. We end up abusing them.
If the cause of the death is really due to a medical negligence, you can file a complaint against the doctor. There were sections like 304 IPC and 336, 337, 338 IPC. You can go through law, but you have no right to attack a doctor.
As doctors, people from my fraternity are trying their level best to intervene and do whatever they can. But that doesn't mean you start attacking the people who are trying to save you. It's absolutely horrendous.
In an emergency situation, the only thing that runs in the minds of doctors is how do we save the life of the patient in front of us.
In an emergency situation, any doctor is thinking about the patient. Even despite the consequences and us not knowing if we are safe, we still put our patient's life before us first, because that has always been our priority and always will be.
A disease which is running in blood of the whole world. This is a huge crisis.
Like we are lacking in clinical exposure.
The pandemic has brought in a lot of changes into how we practice medicine. Especially for a lot of young doctors, we are experiencing a lot of death around us, and I think that's taken a mental toll on the entire medical community.
It's going to be the rumors that are being spread against doctors, and most certainly the people that are losing their trust in doctors. That has been something very difficult to see.
If you're truly passionate about medicine, don't let any of this dishearten or discourage you. Give your best.
This is such a fulfilling field, and not all your patients are going to hurt you, and there's not always violence. There could be so much happiness and gratitude, but protect yourself and know what you're getting into, and know that your efforts are not always going to be rewarded, especially in a time and a place in a country like ours where even when you're doing the right things, you get punished for them.
If you are thinking that this is a very respectable job, people are going to love you for what you do, and you are going to be rewarded with appreciation and love, looking at the turn of current events, I don't think that is going to be the case. So if you really love the field, only join then. But if you're looking for appreciation, money, not your field.
किसी अपने को खोया है तुमने, किसी को बचाने के लिए कई रातों को सोया नहीं है हमने।
किसी से बिछड़ने का दुख सहा है तुमने, किसी को ना बचा पाने के दुख ने कोसा है हमें।
अगर लगता है तुम्हें आसान है हमारे लिए आई एम सॉरी कहकर मुंह मोड़ लेना, मुश्किल है हमारे लिए भी हमारे परिवार से दूर रहकर पैंडेमिक से लड़ना।
व्हाइट कोट स्टेथोस्कोप कितना कूल लगता है, बट तुम्हें क्या पता डॉक्टर बनने के लिए कितने सालों तक पढ़ना पड़ता है।
नाउमीदी के बीच जो आशा की किरण दिखाए, मुश्किलों से भरी रात में जो तारे की तरह टिमटिमाए। क्योंकि डॉक्टर वो नहीं जो स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बीमारी को दूर करने वाला मैजिशियन है, ये सब रॉन्ग है। क्योंकि डॉक्टर वो है जिसे आज सोसाइटी ने दबोचा है। एक बार फिर The hands that treat are bleeding, पर क्या हमने कुछ सोचा है?